Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Design. So today, as you can see, that I have mixed some pigments, and all of them are kind of mixture of one or two pigments with some metallic acrylic paint. So I will in the description section write down the name and the combinations of the colors that I have used to mix those colors, so we can start as soon as possible. So as you can see, I am layering my base coat, and I am using 8" by 8" ceramic tile today. So I am thinking of doing some swipe, and probably I will end up doing some modification. We will see how it goes. So first, what I'm doing is all the blues and the greens, I'm kind of layering them together on top of each other, and I'm going to swipe on both sides of that line. I like to think myself that I'm still a newbie on swipe. So a couple of things I'm observing. First of all, I am making sure that I have enough cell activator on the edge of my plastic, so it can pull the other paints, and on the process it can create enough cells. And if I put too much black, it might look too much dark. So just put enough black cell activator as much as you need, not more than that. A little bit, I will be a little bit on the cautious side. That's number one. Number two, when you put the plastic piece that I used, when you pull for swipe, just drop it on the paint and make sure that all the surface is touching that plastic. Then just pull it towards you. Don't push it on the base coat, let it just sit and do its work. All you do is horizontally you just slide it, you pull it down towards the other direction of the paints that are already piling up on one side. Look at those cells, they are so pretty, and I'm just enjoying doing swipe. I often am scared of swiping, but this is really opening my eyes, and probably you'll see a lot more swipe from me from now on. When I layer my bloom, I always try to layer 3 or 4 shades of the same color family. That way, what happens is when I blow them and I spin them, when the flower spreads out, you will automatically get 2 or 3 different shades of the similar color, which creates a lot of interest. Oh wow, this is so unexpected. Look at those details. It's in person, it's to die for. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I cannot describe the true beauty of this style. I hope it dries well, and thank you so much guys for watching my videos, encouraging me to do better, and also writing comments and subscribing to my channel also helps. Thank you.